Hi, I'm Sophie. I'm 23 years old. I come from Cwmbran.
My name is Asadullah and I'm 21 years old. I came to Britain as an asylum seeker from Afghanistan.
Hello, my name's Caitlin. I'm 20 years old and I come from Pembroke in Pembrokeshire.
I first came to Cwmbran Centre for young people to collect food parcels because I could not afford to feed my 2 children.
I have recently been given refugee status. This means I can stay in Britain and I'm allowed to work.
I first got involved with the Tanyard Youth project when I was 11 to make a music video, and since then music has helped me to express my feelings, especially when life became harder for me.
Due to the situation I was in, I was very worried how I was going to feed my children and how to clothe them. I had nothing. This made me depressed and I lost all my confidence. I did not know what to do. I wanted to earn my own money, but I couldn't because I was looking after my children.
When I first met Sophie, she came in and she was really quiet and reserved. As I got to know her then, by her using the centre more, we started finding out how we could support her and how desperate she was in the situation that she was in.
I met some people like Kaylee and I could talk to her better about my situation. They encouraged me to be more positive and how I could overcome my problems.
To get Sophie to believe in herself and feel less isolated, I encouraged and supported her to run a baby and toddler group in the centre. This worked really well for Sophie and her confidence slowly grew. Sophie told me that she really enjoyed baking, so I suggested that she started her own business. She even arranged at the centre to do an enterprise fair.
Going from asylum seeker to gaining refugee status means I lost the free accommodation and cash support I was receiving. I needed to move out within 28 days, but I was in college and I couldn't offer to pay any rent. To receive benefit, I had to leave my school courses and sign out in universal credit and prove I was looking for a job.
So Asadullah first came to EYST to gain work-relevant qualifications for when he was ready to work. He was offered accommodation in a hostel, but he felt really uncomfortable. He didn't feel safe there.
I had nowhere to leave my possession or my stuff during a day.
We acted as an advocate for him and contacted statutory and voluntary organisations, and he was able to find suitable accommodation. Despite all the stresses he faced, he was determined to finish his EYST qualification, and we helped him through this process the best we could.
From the age of 15, things got really tough for me at home with losses and family problems. I found it really hard to deal with. The most amazing thing was being cared for and supported by the Tanyard Youth project, who referred me to a counsellor. As I became more involved with the Tanyard, I took part in a lot of the drama, dance and music projects, and with that it helped me to build my confidence to start solo singing and perform at local gigs in Pembroke town.
Even through personal hardship, Caitlin managed to complete her level 1 qualification in youth work. Caitlin also continued to volunteer with us here at the Tanyard and became an employment champion to help other young people. It was clear that Caitlin wanted to become a youth worker, so we helped her to start a degree at the university in youth work. I would say that Caitlin is a testament to youth work and shows that, given the right continued support, anyone can gain the skills and confidence needed to do what they want in life.
The Queen's Young Leaders Progression Project brought together 3 very different youth organisations with one common aim: to support young people and move them forward, regardless of their starting points and their needs, recognising that each and every young person is different.
Now I'm more confident after being on the Progression project. I feel like I have a bigger network of support I'm a lot happier now, which means I can enjoy being a mum. I'm an employability champion myself now, and I hope that I can help young people the way that Kaylee helped me.
With support from the progression project, I have completed level 1 award in work education, and I have better chance to find a job. I have passed my ESOL skills courses exams, which is very good in entry level 3, and I have found accommodation in with a council. So life was very difficult, but it's very good at the moment.
Taking part in the Progression Project has helped me turn my passions and skills into a potential career. It inspired me to help and support others. The staff at the Tanyard have been phenomenal. For the past 8 years, when I needed someone to talk to and get advice to make the right life choices, they were always there for me.
This project just shows how much young people can really progress in life with the care, passion and dedication of their youth workers. This approach focuses on the needs of the young people, providing early support to them and preventing their problems from getting any worse. These centres really are one-stop places for young people to get support, such as advocacy, training and help with their emotional well-being. Each organisation involved has a long history of supporting young people, and this project gave them the chance to work more closely together, learn from each other and establish themselves as credible training providers. We need more opportunities like the Queen's Young Leaders Progression Project to help young people with multiple complex issues and those with the most barriers to achieve sustainable outcomes.
Yesterday I walked to East, I played FIFA like a beast. I go to Oasis and have a feast, given a sermon like a priest.
When I'm in Swansea, I feel like a star, and I like driving in my new car. When I'm in town, I saw something bizarre. I think I saw someone eating a cigar.
I write my rhymes with a magic pen. I'm in East writing rhymes again. I'm on another level from these other men, walking around Swansea in a state of zen.
When I'm in Swansea, I'm the man. We are a long way from Japan. Do you wanna hear my master plan?